flight like New York City.
So this is Raja's 1005 gasser that he bought in 1997. 28 years old. How many flights, dude? 4,700 flights.
Wow. Working on 5,000.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get there by his 30th birthday, which is gonna be in September 21st, 2027.
And then it goes to the AMA Museum.
There you go.
Maybe.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Yeah.
Nobody on this earth would have flown a helicopter for 5,000 flights.
No.
Yeah, that means like this thing 20 minutes on average.
Yeah.
We used to run 28 minutes on a 10-ounce tank with the original G23 and the 167A carburetor.
So that's probably the equivalent of somebody putting something like 25,000 flights on an electric.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy. Yeah.
Well, 30 years in the making.
Yeah. Well, it's how many original parts are still left on this thing? Yeah.
Highly modified.
Yeah.
Like the Super 1005. There's a YouTube video about the Super 1005 that I did that shows all the modifications I did to this thing.
Yeah, I have to check that out. Yeah, I think about it, Joey. When he first built this, it would have been flybar, probably mechanical mixing, right?
Oh, yeah.
Flybar, mechanical mixing.
Oh, yeah. I changed it to CCPM. It wasn't even CCPM.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Mechanical mix, not even CCPM, no flybarless.
We had a plastic tail rotor case. By Rich Bono in New Hampshire.
Yeah.
1,004 flights or something, and no tail rotor. I did an auto at the end. You can see the tail rotor stopping like 300 feet up.
Yeah, so when you kill the engine, the tail is disconnected. So does that mean there's like no one-way bearing, or the one-way bearing was not in the auto rotation?
Like a driven tail.
Yeah. By the engine, yeah. That's what I'm trying to visualize, is how the tail was connected to the tail wasn't driving off the head, it was driving straight off the engine somehow.
No, it was a solid gear. It wasn't a split main gear. It was one gear, and it would only drive when you're being driven. You know what I mean? It would stop, and the tail would stop.
Okay. So there's just one gear that was driving the head and the tail.
Right.
The one-way was in that, so when you autoed, the main shaft was just spinning, and that the whole main gear stopped. Got it.
Exactly.
Got it. Now I understand how that. I was trying to understand how that actually physically worked.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So in an auto rotation, you basically just had to bank and you know let the thing windmill and the tail just kind of come around. Bank and yank. Yeah.
The forward speed and the tail was weather vane, and back then it had full fins.
Yeah.
Complete, no holes drilled in it, so it was weather vane better.
Yeah. It's funny the things that we complain about these days. Did you have the invert switch on your radio back then? The thing that crossed the controls?
I tried it once, and I almost crashed, and I never tried it again because my brain could not invert. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, you had to think about like, oh, it's upside down, but why it's right side down?
Oh, God. Yeah.
I'm not doing that again. So I learned inverted the real way.
Yeah. Give us an auto and on.
All right, here we go.
There we go. Signature Roger move.
Going up high. Here we go.
Probably got to about 600 maybe. I don't think you got way quite to 1,000. Let me zoom out.
Please slow down.
Yeah.
Land on your tippy toes.
Nice. Thank you, sir.
Then set it down.
Thank you, sir.
Awesome. Hey, anytime.